Leandra. Sa tikbo mera lulu tumay na uda de bata sa snow tikongo na saundraw. Dong anak na maindur tunggo ngon sala meu tomboka sona uda de bata lingangu. Vambur sekali wike muni. Gongai na matakalila Tokyo. Dia kuntu-kuntu pakalilin na raki. Lori mandara pono na abo kini ni pua. Sarapa kay view kita main na to kini koro. Para dulu tu may baka malo na uda de bata. Go. Cukup mali bang karema na may nukui view. Arto baka view to kana to kiningele. Mendur tengangko mo may pagandin dinatakan na luluto ni Wai bata. Doon boleh binakan na tikong goy chapani. Kang luto ko na Wai bata may kandawe. Sabaki ya mastale. Tukun may nanraki ni na nraki mbata sar ni kuah ni mataka me na moniti. Nagkonon rato tukuk ni Wanua Information Board. Sa nakasata ko sa nakina baka bakandew. Boleh tok nga baka chapani. Kita cukong na city o Taito. Bida baka na miyawa. Sa minute may na main city center. Kochima 2. Ya. Doon nga nakina wirang kami Gonzala. Teitungo ng Bitu. Ito lalay ra teitungo. Nambat siningon sala. Okay. Nimbula. Nimbula binaka sa kudo may nanraki sa lulu tumaygon na snowflakes ni uda de bata. Mambul chukani bike muni na puno da bangani sama chukumikina gosa uchungona dua sabi mama nan dua na tahun kita chikinango Tokyo Japan mambul chukani bike muni sing bala puno kutombale pati ni siya kamandangan chikunong ganilinga go ndar ngami go nanungu na scarf level go kwa solmi Canada. Ambul chiko berta na po bale ni Christine Kin Maharaj. Ambul chiko be Christine. Ambul chiko berta na wakanda may Edmonton, Alberta. Na nondra vika wita kina nungwala kain berto na bulo o kusita. Bula binakalangi. Bula Lucy. Nambula may budi. Ngo. Sa tuwa ba kito nga na bono ni uli ka na may mujus. Kung ko kaya kata-kata. O wala na singa wala na may chocolate drink. Hot chocolate Malaka kata-kata binaka. Nanguno ba nga bang kata-kata. Ilaban na nga nirataron niyo kumay. Nirataron may hot o cold. Kemal kurto kena cuk ngorto hot kene. Kurto cuk kena ngorto mata-mata. Kundu. Dala tau sai waksilimi. Nimbula binaka. Lakatsangango na Takavaka Atakela Sarsara Tokyo, Japan. Wala sabsaba Era Takana Ravisin cow the Sarsaramanda. So we just walk around the block. Sarsaramanda, Takana Ravuna ni Rabadamatupai, go Takwarto Nambaski. Ang batang-batasar na raki ni Kuan, ano kitungol raki na boli ko kay Tokyo, vila na singa. Tutoka na raki. O simbar ni pita raki ni Tamba, doon raki na tawirin ko. Ganda na po na ni coffee, Mamma Mia. Thank you. Real que no me vio, talita ka lang ko tik-tik. Okay, lori naman salda mo. Okay, we walk down this way. Wala na wirtal milyo. Nimbula. Kaya tiko sobe tarumay. Saya tahu sarung merah kabut tunggu ike, api selalu meraungge tol bina, iya bina kebalik. Bulan bayala, bulan kuliah. I wish you can come with me to Japan. Yeah, you're gonna get your passport done, and you can travel with Bumbu, yeah. Thank you for stopping by. Love you. Look at all the kids there. Little kids walking with their parents. That's a playground. Hi. Mataksaran ko sabi sa unang raki. Sa tukuni man ni sana luto na uda de batay. Ngo baka na buni na mo. Ngaron din to ibeso na may taraso na buni ka. Baka na rere ni nung tal de bunin bel. Bulan binaka. Iya, dapat binaka cuma pala kaloni. Sila itu bikin na dia munin bula. Mo dapat talabayin wala sila ni kuwa. Cukup boleh ngoe Japani. Vapa kang wat kun cikan dia babi binaka cikayani. Veira na Vakut kumaina non rabos ni biba kaungeti. Nakabali usara. Nakana masu. Nakana cikini bola tambu. Era baka umay. O babi ni binaka kina. Siya kanya yung aro talangan at ako. At kinito now. Nita ka nga. O ira na posit siko. Meron na baka sa mata ka baka ruwa. Na vivos lili wera todo tu. O klani sobira todo tu na dela ni vunru. Dela ni non ratoro tu na itukutuku. Siya kanindina. Manila ko na baka dewa. Yeah. Kato sa ating goma tu. Wala chikito nimbula Chikito nimbula ni toso. Nangon nendo toso kiniliw. Naliw may na meda. Kaya kasi ka nito posta kikutiko. Kaya balising to na kabo umbe ako ni takabatiko. Ni takabinakatiko. Siya kambia ka ni kabo se. Siya kambia ka ni rarida mbia ka mawiran na yalavatiko. May rarida. Ay. Kanggo takabatiko na nakahe. Winakataksar may biyaw. Iya. Ayaw nanungguray. Nindo baya. Nda tarong. Tamanta ko takava mo ya dhobo kina na bi ka sa dhobo tungo. Sana tarvaya men de tarinken kin. Mai na nonda wasa tunga lakabata tuna wasa da second binaka. Second binaka ya. La da biokania. Ninda sa lotu chico sa nakila ni bi ka kirkirengo. Sa tu kono tu le bola tambo ni na yava. Kango ndara na makini na yava. Wana 7-Eleven. Levo na bi ka binaka politik tukina. No gelis tala mai. Nangay doon na kaya na video. Tasar-sar man. Iyo, nakangayong biawase weekenda na ituki. Mekuni doon nga wase tu, zada muri tu. Dabakatu na sipi, siya nga nakaya na ibakatawa. Ulo nga tosukin indo, ramuri keto. Ramuri keto na kaya na mo. Sada na balik ka makaongo. Satar na balik boy sananggo. Satar na balik boy sananggo. Sa toko nga na balik ka makaongo. Ay, sabadir lolo man din. Marata ka nirto maroy na matinto chapay ni maroy ito sa na wali makawa ka mo. Tatak. Ay, nisol makasamay. Yan ang gaibigan na live. Yan ang gaibakati ko yan. Sa nakao. Sabi nakatamo pa kung matatakayani. And kaya nalaki heptaki. Heptaki may na email. Siya na messenger. Siya nga nisuli na kaya nabiba kong doon. Laki buto ko di mayan nandun na messenger page. Ngay kambraki. Yan na buray. Yan anong kureo yaw. Sa adala sarto nga balaw. That's a breach of privacy. Ito ko na Privacy Act. Na nakambimbiya. Laki na laki, buto ko naman ito ko ya, nabuko ni ka na sangay. Menda be bala. Se menda be baka dadanya. Kaya baka undin na tiko. Kaya baka undin na tiko, toro man na kaya na barte kaya. Kaya baka undin na tiko. Nata muli buto ko na mikin na. Indo na messenger, indo na kamu. Mong gaya mo din buraki. Siya ni tobo binaka. Belata na tamata nga hektiko. Elenggatiko. Yang nanong ko baka madalaka-leka. Nabuko ni Beka laku turumiti ko na madango luitaka. Ni na madamingo sana lele sombo na bibaka dadani. Beauty ko baka lao. Baka muri na bengon sala baka lao. Baleta ni tiko na lawa baka bata nito tiko na veka ndondo menda muria esa kanina matin tutunga baka lilia tiko na bilutaki tiko na kana lawa boudi kenda yandundo tiko na nonda human right tiko na nonda ndondo baka tamata tamusakayan kon lakine sa kanira ni lakatunga mindua me kotomay na non na numa me ulang baleta indo tala na tamata baka ndakilatu kalawadi nga nakaw natarong do tarong ngayon nandun doon tabi sa liwa me biba katatan ito na mo na liwa ayaw biyaw na matagal tamatabayar tamatararaba baka nga taka na mo na liwa because they are just sitting behind their phone, sitting behind their keyboard, and they become keyboard warriors. Kaya baka sa kanita-lita kanda naka wala man damay vital no. Rakilabi na katuna mo chicken dito vale. Rakilabi na katuna ito namba ni telefoni. Kaya rakilabi na keto. Sa kanita baka yalo leleitaki. Na lebo nga ni baka tatay, na lebo ni baka lang tataki ni kalo. Ingo ko erto na baka tatay ni chiko. Erto dami na kasalchingan ko minakor. Biyaw ko baka tatay ni chiko. O chiko ko Tokyo. Japan. Tagari kinang ko do sarang ni bakarita kililay sara. Aura ni wasaya ni weekend Kaya baka wala ko turo mo chiko doon rendre, wala ko turo mo chiko na bibaka tatani, wala ko turo mo chiko na bibaka mandualaki. Kako baka doon nalilay. Di ko kilati ko nakaloy chiko bat kiko. Kaya baka kilan ni undina. Sarang na ayun sarang na wekanta boleka. irsar ngana kanta boleka beach kenta tale and rukuni bus ndoronika they throw us under the bus so saranga bira na kanta boleka kongon kina au bia bakal nganga tekin kina vi kemni na bia bakal daga tekitiko ito bola saram ni bia bakal daga tai bletana lewunga ni da oni bakan ti otaka da lewu ni bia bakal ngota take na Suleiman kalo takaya boleh tu bena boltam la kaloro ni biso taka na wosa ni bia bakal daga ni kina wosa ni bia bakal ngota take ni nanu musar chika kako bakan to nyungul lam bikem ni so ni tai peti ko nanom ni so bikem ni nom ko followers orang ada ciko so bikem ni na nunggu ni followers ni do bang muriau tiko au sali ronga ni sari kai tai ni sari ni sali toko ni orto na nunggu mer iya ono lama ni kem ni tiko baka tau bikem ni bia baka muriau mena nunggu program sebo ni landi mena nunggu program misalnya program ni bia baka dadani program ni bia baka loloma taki program ni tapi ka wasa tatal meron ni bitelo maya enda kila kertiko na vosa bitir tale so tale na kandera anga enda kana biu dakitu so na screenshot ni bitalono ya na bitalono na messenger it was meant for private conversation salah ki komai beli dia murah gitu mek itu biu pakata dan kina pakam mata buai
iko kay biti
boleh
iko kay biti
iyo kay biti
actually I'm Japanese but I was living do you know Bapro students
yes
Bapro school
sambulu vinaka Bible school in the one in Namoro
iyo
sivil may visari liu
like Lautoka iyo Kashmir
oh Kashmir oh isa vamos lá para ver a biti pula de nada
o de Kenta
o Kenta go Kenta
Sio name Sio
oh Sio oh quando tu me lo toca go que lo sabe isata
how many people watching
45 yeah vamos lo toca Kashmir o Sio
are you working in Japan
I came for a workshop
workshop?
We just finished yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm just staying in a hotel across the road.
Yeah.
So I just saw the snowflakes. And I was like, oh, tong kalimanda. Life mandiviti.
I just go to the upstairs and I come back.
Okay, alright, Vinaka. Iya. Isa, reda. Sampai satu sarkesio. Bikem nila chukumelo toka. Dala dorbo buli Bible School. Oi, Reiva. Vinaka as a Nenoka, Vinaka valeu. Iya. Reiva. Reiva como quando lungo bat keno tik tik. Pasi mika. Endo na balikana, ira keda na tamu chukula. Lealo keda. Iya, ko be, dan pernah ko be na apartment go. Ito na apartment, keda kambala. Ya. Tu no kamela ka mandidaki, mangelak sumtalmay. Sakro sa may sa takisio. Saya kena makitik-tiki. Wata kena buini nga sa meloro. Kita tulis apa sa pintakungo. Kami kayo iti. Sabi na kamalib sar na siya mamay iyo. Kamalib sar bikim ni na bakumuretso kumay na nito tangga ni Beba na Beba kadagay ni singkabo bikitu tipo may naroon dolo sa kaba. Beba mo nga sember niyo may bakawati. Au sengon lelewa, au sando sa tabo tunga may na biba katagani. Nangono tumbo ta kamikina. Do nuko ta tunga nuko yo tunga na tang nangono se ngonelo mikina do lebo na bosi bina ka do buti na maramutinang. Do tukuno biyo ko ya. Lewa na bosa sember niyo su do na bosa sa tautu. Ya, nakat ko nungo na na ngone sember niyo kusudu na bosa sa tautu. Umbula ta kamingo, umbula ta katiko na umbula niyo dingoma, ni na yato na ngaune soer na siya kanitali tikiko. Iya. And, kanga binakatamo sa bikenda, medyo ko bikenda ng ding-ding. The decision-making process. What do you choose every day? Do you want to choose bad? Do you want to choose hurt? Do you want to choose negativity? Do you want to choose dambi mo tal sutal na boss assess no ko bakasam nakava kere nga is that gossip Do you want to choose that and have blessings in your life taken out or taken away from you? Or would you rather wake up in the morning and you choose happiness, and you choose happiness and truth, and you choose goodness? Labi sila kenda kela tiko, kenda kenda lakachuko ilotu, da kena wili kuchuko na devola tambo, and da baka tabuli tiko na ve kai vinaka. Nila ko main dua me kota main na tuku ni biba kata kani, to pala mondambe manda, tarungi ko manda, na ibitan longo dondo mo wili kina sisel. Nakaya musar nga biyaw ni ureda sona sigli mo nakaw pa wili ka nanu mame ko ni wili ka limo naka balta ron me bakatadana na nungu bakasama na nungu meti kongo chapani o binakata me marotaka na nungu meti ko na matin tu levungo o chapani levo na matin tungo na bonongo nindo tanatan ratu mo ni membutuka gondo na kalungata soli biyaw me meti kongo mo matataka na basa pasifika na nungu meti kongo nambose chapani au siya ninda kung katakan na nangguhuli siya munta kung katakan na be kaurawate siya o yaw na suway nitakataka au suway nitakataka o baka binibin nakatakirto nung gumatubale may kantabo nanong kukoro na takalaw yaw may kantabo nanong natubito ko na huli turang tumango kaya na maramutinango rondo bito ko ni taksar baka lewa na huli nangono sa kirong kay may soto kinikilabo sangay may tumalatala na turangan nito talawatingo nanon na bukiyaw me utoswe na nung kubulo pa bidi pinakabila mo nanon na bukiyaw me uyadoba na bakatanya ngenda usati ko iya au senga ni binakata me uyadoba ni bakatanya ngenda ko mo ridi so butal kile so seng bata na bitalo no ni wili katu ya na bitalo no membalet na darubungo ko bi bakatanda ni chiko bikitu iya bakatanda leu tan la ka binakata me wase ya na senga ni binakata me wase ngom balet ni sambiti ko baklawa na bika bakador ko ngol kini bikem ni na nando baka muri ko tipo que baka so bikem ni on invito tu sona vosa sala kung baka may bio sona screenshot and que baka ni sa nindo ngaraw na siya ko itaka na bika ni to dabuti na mo na liba ngole no ni bala na visa na tukutuko na ngole sa register take na online safety commission sa tiko talang aberto na visa na tukutuko kalau kini minta donggang garon, kaya kau ni ando biar mereka nambil tu sona bos saksa tawayangan na mana libu ngonong ngolah sarki na delete, patut nirto na ngolah nunggu timi, na yata kaya na wala itu, na kau ni wala tu, na screen grab teki mai, na soli berto kaya na nunggu loya, kau ngolah kini menda ready tiko na tambana ya menda, di na news akan dibina katsar mele yata sar beira na tambak mo dabuta iyo go satu go sana bisa tek na bitala nongo pete bitala no vinaka ni umistam na turanga go tali ko mena kalo me ridiao blete ni umichiko na maten tungo go siongo
when I was junior high school
you went to Bapro
Bapro
yeah
2013 you live in Lautoka
siya I grew up in Suva
iyo
kanang kasi my sister they used to live near where Natambua High that road that goes up iyo Tilak I think Tilak iyo Tilak Milome iyo my older sister they used to live there
I have so many Fijian friends
so when I mention your name majority they remember you
really
iya sarvambulo mai go satu go sio ndongo ndongo itu kono mai ko dabuti kemni mai awa itu kono ko buli mai Bapro o klamo bambula mtebi ko mokilango eza nainoka ngoni buli mai Bapro eza nainoka
nalewa
nainoka iyo I think it's from Nandi because this name must be from Nandi eza are you from Nawaka in Nandi
no not Namaka
yeah Nawaka
Nawaka
yeah I just see the name the surname that's from the Nandi area and you are part of the Freebird Institute or separate separate
Bapro students.
Bapro.
So 13 to 15 years old.
Go
to the Bapro.
Hindi na. Yeah. Binaka. Ito ko sarabang bulo main ko. Iyo, bulo binaka Amelian Riti o Siongo. O kaya buli main Bapro. Iya. How long were you in Bapro? 3 years?
3 years.
And then you came back?
Iyo.
Hindi na. And you're from Tokyo?
Iyo. Just this area.
Capital
boy.
How did you know when you...
No, No, when I saw the flower and your hairstyle, like oi, and I hear the Fijian language, I know very well. So I just go
Yes, Maro Saranga. I have a online platform. It's called Talano with Dr. T. Anyway, my name is Tarisi.
Talisi.
Iya, Tarisi. Iya, Vulavinaka.
Iya.
Iya. So that's my. I do my live on my page.
Oi.
So this morning I look out, I saw the snow. I said, oh, I'll just walk around the block
Yeah.
and do one live and just say bullet to everybody.
Oi,
So God is good, eh?
Iya.
Now we met.
Yeah. The first time when I come back to Japan,
Yeah.
I first time meet the Fijian people.
Oi.
Yeah.
When did you come back? So you were there 2000 and with
2016,
So
17, I come back.
17.
Yeah.
Did you see any other Fijian here?
Never.
It's the first time go. We need to take a selfie. Oh, ani wawa mat karo sa selfie manta. Iya, ko salah ko 100 na sa 97.
Oi.
It's going up because I see you.
Yeah.
Salah ko mo siya na numbers of viewers went up. If it was just me, it will go down.
No.
So what did you like about Fiji when you were there? Like, what's your most memorable
No,
moment?
when I was 15, 16 years old, 2020 was Tokyo Olympic coming. So it means like so many foreigners came to Japan. If I can speak in English, I can like growing up more like global. That's why like I went to the Fiji, and the Fijian people like always like happy and kele kele.
Kele, yes.
Yeah, kele kele culture. So I like to go to Fiji.
Oh, so the
But
kele
yeah.
culture.
Fiji is so good. I love Fiji.
What about the food? What's your favorite?
I forgot the name. The kaba. No. How is it? Like sweet. Like how is it? Fijian people always eating
Yeah?
tapioca.
Oh, tapioca! Tapioca,
Kasama,
talita ko na tapioca. Kasama.
Tapioca.
Tapioca.
Yeah.
Do you like it boil or fry? A little bit fry?
Both.
Both, eh? 'Cause-
Actually, I went to the Papro school, and then when I was lunchtime, I always eat a kaibiti boy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you eat dal and vegetables sometimes?
Everything I love. Everything I love.
Man, yes. Did
When
you
I-
drink kava?
I drinking kava too much. Every weekend I drinking it too much the kava. Man. Kele kele. Bula binaka.
Wala binaka, isa. Talo. Maro sarga ni rusota.
Yeah.
Because I was supposed to come out like early in the morning and it's liliwa yawe, liliwa. I just look, siya, dami chuk na, siya nga, Italia. And then I look at on dalawa katumba. Salah ko na snow.
Yeah.
Salah ko manda, ako manda na live. Iyo. So, lako may sa saravati KC yo. Yes. So what are you doing now?
I'm doing the like my real job is like selling the house.
Oh, in real
And then-
estate.
yeah, real estate, yes. And then when I have
Vinaka.
time, like Saturday and Sunday, I have free, so I send like Uber Eats.
Uber Eats.
Yes.
Oh, Vinaka. Come to live with in the family. How many of you in the family? In your in here in
My
in,
family?
Here, your mom, dad, your brothers. You have.
I don't have like only one son and only my mother.
Oh.
My father and the mother, when I was 4 years old, they are divorced.
Oh.
It's okay, never mind.
And
So-
where's your dad now?
I don't know.
Oh.
About when I was 4 years old,
Man, it's a
last time I
funny
met
life.
here. And then, so it means now I'm 20, this year 26 years old.
Yes,
So about 22 years I never met.
Really?
It's okay.
But mom is okay.
Yeah, mom is okay. My grandmother, grandpa is all, everything is good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And in Fiji, did you have a family that look after you, or you just staying in the boarding school?
No, Kaibiti.
Kaiviti, eh?
Yeah. Fijian family.
Yes. Do you remember them?
Yeah, of course. I'm still have contact with them.
Oh, which village? Do they live in Lotoka?
Lautoka, and Lazak Road. Do you know Lazak Road?
Lazak.
Lazak.
Oh,
Like very
is
near.
it towards going towards Mba?
Yo.
Oh, so that when you go that way, eh? Oh.
Very near the Casimir and the Care Mode.
Oh, Reida.
That's my area.
Yes, yeah. So, just in case they're listening, what would you like to say to them? Because many people are watching us.
Oh.
What would you like to tell your family?
Then my family, like I really miss the Fiji, and next year I trying to come to Fiji again, and all my best friends I want to see. I really miss them all. And the Suba also, I have the friends there.
Oh.
The school is I want to know like most very strong rugby school.
Yeah, rugby. Supergram?
No,
not Supergram.
RKS.
RKS.
RKS and
Maris Brothers?
yes.
Oh.
I have the friends
You
there.
have friends there.
And the Puris
Yes.
people, Puris also.
Oh.
I have the friends.
Right. Yeah, we come in ex-RKS, ex-Maris, go. See you. Yeah?
And the Lelin.
Lelin. Yes. Tell me what's happening here.
This one like election. This is like how you say.
今日が最終日、最後のお願いでございます。自由民主党の
Isa, vina kumali mo sa maraw ni Kromay Sota. Hindi na ni yung secho kumali laison ang renreo sa taba, lakalo talaisyo may mi Kromay Sota. He brought me some really good positive vibe. Alang mo ko. Razak Road, right, Razak. Sa Bapro, Chukoy, Kashmir, Lotoka, Kamod Road, yes. Go karo sa misat sarang go kay Sio. Chuko nang kay solitudo na son kalabas galiw. Razak Road, yasa.
Yo, Lazak.
So many people they know where the school is. Yes.
And Lazak Road and going up like the very rich people like Simla.
Oh, Simla.
Simla,
Wow. You have the big houses there.
Yeah, big, so many big houses and near the hospital.
Near the hospital. Right.
Lautaka Hospital.
Lautaka Hospital. Yes.
Election.
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 Right,
Yes.
right. So it's happening now, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. And coming back to Japan, did you come back to school after you left Bapro?
No, I never go to the college. I like to work and make a lot of money. It's very good. And I help in my company too, my mother's company.
Oh, Vinakawali. Sa mom must be really proud of you. Iyo, good
Because
on
only
you.
one son, eh?
Iyo. Yes, umaro sarang nga. So next year you planning to go to Fiji?
Yes.
Oh.
Next year.
How long do you plan to be there?
About 2 weeks and 3 weeks.
Oh, okay. So you'll go to Lotoka first and then go to Suba after? And then
Yes.
come back to Nandi and
Yes.
fly. Okay. Yes, man.
So I showed my Bapro.
Yes.
s-
Yes. If anybody have any question for Sio, please ask. This is an impromptu live, eh? I'm so happy I'm here in Japan. So he's looking for some photos. He's gonna show us some photos from Bapro. Oh, go. We're not gonna uniform. Yes.
These 3 guys are most popular for the rugby.
Oh, wow. Riva. Yeah. Yeah, Bapro, man. Because Bapro was really good with rugby, eh?
Yeah,
Back then.
yeah.
They were going up in the deans.
Yo, this guy. This guy is this guy brother is a Karione Nasoko. Yo, Karione Nasoko.
Riva. Totoka. Sing bullet to the Nasoko family, yeah.
Yo.
Wow, Riva. You're blending so well with the voice.
Yeah. Maybe this my age, the people like everybody knows me
Isa.
because I always going out with Fijian people.
Oh.
Yeah.
So they take you to one house.
Even
Grog.
I go to the school, I never wear in the slip-on. I never, just a Kaivichi style. You know, like this, like you know,
Dabi Mango.
yeah, like this, and then stand up and like everything. I really love Fiji.
Man, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Eh? So glad. So many people are commenting. And
I want to ask you something like,
Sure.
do you know Mastatola? Very famous Mastatola.
Mastatola, yes.
Do you know Mastatola?
Yes, I do.
Mastatola is my best one of the guy. Fijian Mastatola.
Wow. Yeah, Dolobina Mastatola.
Mastatola live
Yeah.
in Nandi, but Bapro students next to the one of the house live in Mastatola.
Yes. That's the thing about Fiji, eh, Sio, eh? Even though, you guys come from overseas,
Yeah.
they still look after you, eh?
Yeah,
Whatever little they have, they share.
Yeah.
Eh? If you don't have the salt, kere,
Yeah.
go next door.
I always collect it.
Man.
I know when at that time, like I know Fijian people, like some students very poor, but I really respect to the Fijian culture and the Fijian country, and then always I collected like even the food, even the pencil, always collected.
Yes. And you just share.
Yeah, sure.
Man. Yes, eh? Redaya, eh? Mastatola, go. See, they're commenting.
Oh, yeah, Mastatola.
Got it. Mastatola, okay. Oh, so you know him, eh?
Yeah.
So, Master Meli.
Oh, Master Mary.
Meli.
I know.
Yeah.
I know her.
Oh, they pronounce, okay, yeah, yes. Master Tora. Okay. Oy. Yeah. Oh, one question, salah Mingo. If you're looking for a wife,
Why?
he has to go to Kandavu. Kandavu, they got nice girls there.
Kandavu. I know, like Kandavu most famous in smoking the marijuana. Yeah,
That's why we're good looking.
Yeah.
I'm from there.
Oh,
I'm
really?
from Kandavu.
Actually, I'm already come back to Japan. I'm already 26 years old.
Oh.
Now I can tell. When I was Bapro school, after the weekend, I smoking with a ganja with
Eh, satu mo may suara ka yung bunta sarong.
like ganja.
Reda. He has to go. Oh, dogo. Oh, Miss Leniana. You have to go to Ra. They have the stronger one there.
Stone sarang
Satu ko no siyo, stone saranga, stone, kaya ko Ra. So, maro saranga ni Redico. I'm so happy.
Yeah, I'm so happy too.
Like in my mind, I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna get out of my hotel. I'm gonna just go that way. Maui, go straight, and then I come back.
Oh.
And then I kept going, and I was like, no, I'll walk around the block.
Yeah.
So like, I'm going to 7-Eleven, buy some lunch, and then I go back to my room. And now I see you.
Yeah.
Yes, man, it's so good to, have the connection back to Fiji. Yeah. Yeah, because ni namarong chukumai, kaya ba kayo sa kilikoya, ni vambulo mai. Yeah. Kadira sara, maro sara kan kromay sota. So la kambali sa kanta kilachi koko.
When I come back to Fiji, anyone meet me, like follow my account.
Oh, there you go, there. Yeah, follow.
So many Fijian friends here.
Oh,
Kenta Akutsu.
Oh, Kenta, eh? Kenta Akutsu. Yeah. Kenta Akutsu, please follow.
Yeah.
Follow his page.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And follow me. I follow you back all.
Oh, okay. Kenta, eh? Kenta. Okay. Ako talaga nang kay them. On Eden Vic. Oh, let me take a photo of you. All of them are so happy that we met.
Oh my god, 136. Oh, Binaka, Bakalebu.
Binaka. Any questions for Sio? Anybody has any questions? Ask Sio because he's here with me.
Fiji watching for you.
Oh.
Fiji is watching you.
Yes. Binaka. Yeah, those of you who have Yangwana, make sure you keep some for Sio. Oh, it's Sarah Sevens. Gar. Yes, Binaka. Maro saranga. So happy, Sio. So do you know when you're planning to go to Fiji? Like exactly like next summer?
I just thinking like which season is very good.
Yeah.
Now in Fiji it's very hot, right?
Very hot.
Very hot,
Very
eh?
hot. Yeah.
because every year after finish term
Yeah.
3
Yeah.
finish, I come back to Japan,
Yeah.
and then I going back to Fiji. That time like Fiji, so when I was
Yeah.
going back to Fiji,
Yeah.
very hot.
I think the middle of the year is better.
Yeah.
Like June, July, eh?
Yes.
Yeah. Not too hot, Bango, eh? But not set to na singing buno, eh?
Yeah.
It's nice and cool. Nice and cool. Yeah. Oh, okay. Listen, everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining. I'm gonna buy some lunch for him
No.
before he go. Yeah, I'll get you some lunch. Hold
no.
on. Wait there. You wait there.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a restaurant somewhere there.
Yeah.
I'll grab some lunch for him and one for me. Because that's how we do it in Fiji. Eh? We see one brother, we look after each other. Eh? Okay, all right. So, any comment you'd like to share, say goodbye to your family in Fiji?
Thank you so much for today, and I really meet her, so I'm so happy, and wait for me next year.
Nakapakalevo.
Yeah.
So, tanong ba sa mga Viti ko kila? Ba sa mga Viti?
Huh?
Iko kila any Fijian sentence, you know? Sotatale? Sotatale, eh?
Sotatale,
Yeah. Okay.
Sandonu.
Sandonu. Okay. Sotatale.
Sotatale.
Iya, Binakabalevo. Isa. Mode may Tokyo. Iya, lolo main ni Kantamu, lolo main ni Lotoka. Iya, Lotoka. Mbapro for life. Okay, mode everybody, love you all. Mwah.
Yeah, mode.
Mode. Naka.
Domoniko.
Mode. Naka. Mode Den.
Yeah, mode.
Mode Alumita. Mode Mere. Naka. Kero salikal. Salah ketengu. Iya, mikro likal. Kotal ngambil likal. Mode.